Hey, this is Wyatt. This is continuing action sequences using the Canon M50. And in this one, we're going to produce this result right here. Now, this is a short thing that obviously you're going to use within a longer sequence, like with a voiceover like this. One of the best times is being able to sit down and really engage with my audience and kind of co-create with them, find out what they want and find out what I'd want to create at the same time. And the process yields some really amazing results that I wouldn't get any other way. The only thing you need besides your Canon M50, of course, is a Gorilla Pod and a placemat or large napkin. Check it out. Okay, so there's going to be a little bit out of focus with this, but you get the idea. I was using my T4i, and unfortunately it was acting up on me. I mean, it was me, I don't know. But anyway, so what I've got here is I'm going to take the Canon M50. You see I've got the placemat there, and I do the flip out screen. And then what I'll do is set the scene and set the focus on me and get the Gorilla Pod. What you didn't see right here is that I had to kind of configure the Gorilla Pod to be at the right angle, but you can get that angle just right. And if you have a larger desk than what you see here, obviously you're going to have a much easier time. I was worried about it falling off and when I did this, but so once you have your face and how you want it to look, because that's what you're kind of focused on, is the final scene. So you get that scene set, you set your focus point on you, and then you go behind the laptop like this, hit record, and then you take the placemat and you focus on the laptop, and your one arm is just gradually pulling across and revealing you with the laptop. So you have to actually go through and keep practicing, because to get that initial flow, you have to practice a little bit. But it's deceivingly simple, but it can really help create some cool scenes, and offers a way to basically do that, do the far and then the mid and then the close-up. And this kind of gives you the close-up feel, and you don't need somebody else there to do it for you. And I found it helpful to kind of try to smile a little bit, but also move outwards, kind of curve, as I'm pulling, kind of curve a little bit and pull inwards. That was helpful to provide more of a dynamic than just straight across. Hey, if you found that at all helpful, please give it a like. Check the description below. I've got a 5-day action video series with the Canon M50 designed to reproduce some of the popular action moments that you can see and kind of put together in a whole sequence that can make some of the landing page videos or product videos or any number of things you might be doing as a creative entrepreneur to attract and engage your audience. So check the description below for that. It's 5 days, it's free, you can sign up, and it basically goes through each of those videos. And in the next video, we're using the Canon M50 with the Canon app that it comes with and achieving a cool result that you're gonna definitely wanna use in most, if not all, your videos that you do for your landing pages and your products and so on. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.